I have tips for you today on how to manage your closet if you have a small space, you have a stuffed closet, everything doesn't fit, and where is it all going to go? All right, so I teach a course called Closet Organizing Like a Pro. And the first step I have people do is to go through one section at a time and say, hold it up and ask each item and ask two questions. Do I like it? If the answer is no, I don't really like it, then put it in a bag and say, this is my donation bag, and you don't even have to see it again. If you don't like it, you're not going to wear it. So donate it, and that starts to clear out the closet of a lot of things. The second question is, do I wear it? This is a tough one. If you don't wear it, why have it in your closet? Pass it on to someone else. So the two questions are, do I like it? Do I wear it? And then you can ask the third question, where does it go? So you can look at your shelves and refold and put sweaters there. You can put shoes there. And when you have a small closet or a full closet, go to the floor. Yes, start picking up things there. That's often where things get stuffed. Go into the corners, under the hanging clothes, pull everything out and say the three questions. Do I like it? Nope, it goes. Do I wear it? It goes away. And if you do like it and you do wear it, then you can ask, where does it go? I'm Marsha Ramsden, and I hope that you will clear out your closet, especially if it's stuffed, if you feel like there's not room. Adapt to the size of your closet by asking those questions. Do I like it? Do I wear it? Where does it go? And let it go. You'll be amazed. You can even weigh it. You're going to see some people have done 30 pounds of donations, some have done 100, and others did 160 when she went through every closet, including coat closets, boots, mittens, everything else. And you too can clear out your closet. Remember the three questions, and I invite you to join the course, Organize Your Closet Like a Pro. There are many more tips, and you're going to feel like, I like my space. I'm not going to buy a new house, but I sure can make a new dent in my closet and make it something I like.